Good morning, student of class 6th. Today we will complete the exercise of chapter 3rd of English literature, The Postmaster. Yesterday, page number 44 45 we have already done, I think, and now page number 46 we have to complete it today. So, collocation are usually formed by how? Yesterday, last page number 45, collocation was there. So, collocation, what is refers to a word or phrase which is frequently used with another word or phrase, such as a hard frost. Okay, hard frost means a phrase like. So here there are given to you an adjective and a noun, deep affection, an adverb and an adjective, severely affected, a verb and a noun, boost one's confidence. Here given collocation. So now exercise A. Use appropriate collocation from the given box to complete the following sentences. 5 sentences, and in the help box already some word given to you like sea reluct, heated argument, hidden agenda, road aims, healthy appetite. Okay, you have to do it today. If any problem, just send the message. And now B, what is? Tick the words that have similar meanings to the word in bold. Okay, you have to check what is the similar, like yearned means aged, longed, fought, meant. Okay, with the dictionary you have to complete it. Now speaking and listening section. So listen and learn. Actually, on the page number 161, there is a para passage given to you. First, you have to read it, that para, and after that, there are 6 questions are there. Okay, very easy. You have to write in front of it, in front of the questions. Okay, in a short way. 4 questions on page number 46 given to you, and 2 questions on the page number 47 given to you. Okay, write it and converse and connect. This section is actually conversation between two. So here, who are two? Ravi and Sudhir. They are talking on any issue. Hello, Sudhir. You seem to be in a hurry. Sudhir. Oh yes, I am on my way to the post office. I have to send this card by speed post to my friend Dinesh, who lives in Pune. Ravi. But why speed post? Why not by the ordinary postal service? Sudhir. Well, my friend's birthday is on this Sunday, just 3 days from today. If I send it by speed post, it will reach him within 24 hours. Ravi. Okay. Do you have to pay more for sending it by speed post? Oh yes. After the envelope is paid on and a weighing machine is there, I will come to know the amount that has to be paid. I will buy stamp for that specific amount and paste them on the envelope. I will be paying the charge for the special speed post services by doing so. Ravi. Right. I will also come along with you as I have to buy some stamps and envelope. Sudhir. Okay, let us go. So this conversation related to sending post by speed post. There is a friend's what? There is a friend's birthday on Sunday, and now Sudhir wants to send some message to him. Okay, so do this activity at home. Help of any brother, sister. Okay, and after that, pronunciation practice. You have to pronounce these words. 8 words are there. First, value, valid, vision, victory, vice, save, vast, and value. Now, after this, punctuation. Punctuation means you have to write capital letters wherever required, capital letters, full stop, comma, inverted comma, question mark, etc., colon, semicolon, etc. So everyone you know that the first word should be in capital, name of any capital. So first word given, children, it means C capital, and whenever sentence completed, full stop according to the sentence. Interrogative, put question mark. Exclamatory, put exclamation mark. So children and grown-ups should exercise regularly to stay fit. Now one sentence completed. To stay fit. Full stop, and after it, I should be capital. Like this you have to do in the space provided. And now write well. Write a descriptive passage. So write well and project work I will give you at a time to do. Okay, so leave it. Now dictionary skill, what is there? Use your dictionary and find out the difference between the following words. With the help of dictionary, find out overlook and observe, frequently and frequently, soothing and sheathing. So what are the difference in a short way? Here space provided to you. Write down. Project work I will do in at a time. Okay, value and life skill, one good thought given to you. So good thought that we have to understand. Compassion and understanding can build strong human bonds. Okay, compassion and understanding. If you have, and if anyone has understanding and compassion, it will build strong human bonds, good friendship like. So what are the three things you would like to do to build a great bond between you and your neighbor? What do you want to do? Here you have to mention what means, write down only three things what do you want in a short way. Okay, so page number 48 completed. It means your chapter number third exercise completed. Tomorrow we will study poem Go Not to the Temple. Okay, completed this exercise. Okay, thanks.